Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download ChatGPT 4o on PC, full tutorial. So as you can see, or if you know about this ChatGPT, the most recent flagship model from OpenAI GPT-4o integrates sophisticated reasoning skills in real time across text, visual, and audio modalities. It is now openly available to all users, unlike before. So, what you're going to do here is pretty simple. You just have to simply go to any web browser and then type ChatGPT 4o. And unlike before, it's not for free, but all you have to do is to look for the specific link that is legit. So I prefer that you tap the first one. So click the site and it will take you directly to another page where it will introduce the advantage and the benefits of using ChatGPT 4o. Once you tap this, what you're going to do is to tap continue, continue, continue. Okay, tap continue. And then you need to have a working email address. You should have your email address in order for you to log in. If you don't have an account yet, then you can continue with Google, Apple, or email. If you have an account already, then tap login. Now choose that Google account that you wanted to use for your ChatGPT 4o. For example, this one, or you can add another account if you want. And then tap continue to sign in. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you just have to wait. As you can see, it offers to upgrade your chatbot to App Pro, but you can just simply skip to this. Okay, so no need to do a lot of things, no need to pay for something because you can use ChatGPT 4o now and they are rolling it for free. So all you have to do is to sign in, have your Google account, and that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do subscribe, please do like, and if you want to suggest any topic for tutorials, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.